In this video, we are going to do biology paper 2 for the year 2019 GCE, which was written, the paper which was written on 30 July. Yeah. So, we are going to answer question 1. So, question 1 reads, Figure 1.1 shows red blood cells placed in different solutions. Figure 1.1 shows red blood cells placed in different solutions. So we have two different solutions. We have solution A and solution B. Yeah, on the diagram here. But there are three types of solution. Number one, we have a hypertonic solution and a hypotonic solution and a isotonic solution. So for you to answer this question, you have to understand all those types of solutions. Yeah. So we're going first to define these three types of solution before we get to answer the questions. Yeah. So number one, we have a hypertonic solution. So a hypertonic solution, is a solution in which the concentration is higher than the concentration inside the living cell. A hypertonic solution is the solution in which the concentration is higher than the concentration inside the living cells. So in this solution, when you dip, when you get a red blood cell, and dip it in it, it will lose water because the concentration of water, the water level in that solution is low. So a cell will lose water. It will tend to lose water. Then a hypotonic solution, this is a type of solution in which the concentration is lower than the concentration inside the living cell. Then we have the isotonic solution. Isotonic, this is a type of solution in which the concentration is equal um, um, is equal in the beaker or whatever, and inside the living cell. Yeah. So now let us try to answer the questions. So question 1a. Question 1a. Question 1. So question 1a. So cell A and cell. So let us read the question. So state the type of solution in which each cell was replaced, cell A and cell B. So according to what we've discussed on the types of solutions, now the question they're asking, state the type of solution in which each cell was placed. So for cell A, since it was placed in a solution and it lost water, it shrank, meaning it was in a hypertonic solution. So have you seen how it is simple? So this one, it was in a what? In a hypertonic solution. Have you seen? Yeah. So for cell B, it gained water and finally it burst, meaning it was in a hypertonic solution where the concentration is lower than the concentration inside the what? Cell, inside the living cell. So this one is a what? A hypotonic solution. Have you seen? Yeah. So now let us go on B. Yeah. So on B, the answer question B reads, give an explanation for your answer in A1 above. Cell A explanation, cell B explanation. Yeah. So they want give an explanation for your answer in A1 above, cell A explanation. So here they want you to they are not telling you that you start explaining what is hypertonic is, what and what. No, what they want to hear from you is the reason why you said cell A was placed in a what, in a hypertonic solution. Yeah, so here it is to be careful. It is 3 mark. So what you are supposed to do is that your explanation kafule kabako, whereby it should be understanding, whereby uh, you know, if we yamoneka kwati at least, yeah. So give an explanation for your answers in A1 above. So for cell A, how do we know that it is a hypertonic solution? Because it lost water and it shrunk after some times, showing that it was in a what, in a hypertonic solution. So remember, in biology you don't put these dots or bullets. So it is because I'm just teaching, so don't try in an examination. Yeah. So for cell A, so cell A lost water when it was placed in solution what? Solution A, showing that solution A is a hypertonic solution. So let us go to number 2. So for cell B, the same thing. It gained what? It gained water when it was placed in solution B, showing that solution B is the what? Hypotonic solution. So cell B gained water after it was placed in solution B, showing that so there is a hypotonic solution. Have you seen? So this is the answer for question B, and this is how you are supposed to answer a question like this. So if you want more WhatsApp tuitions, you want to learn, you can just use the number 0970 59 28 71. Yeah, there you find online classes where I teach. Yeah, so don't be late, please. It is better you come early so that you learn more. Yeah, especially the grade 12s. Yeah, so this is how we get to answer questions like this one. Yeah, so please you can subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get notified always once I post a video. So this is how we get to answer the questions like this. Yeah.